Are foreigners actually worth it for Filipinas?
As a woman, I believe the man should lead the relationship, and if you want a man to lead the relationship, you should at least have something going on for you in your life.
If he don't have any money, of course, and I have a money, I can support him.
If he had no money, would you still choose him? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Jade and I am 21 years old.
Are foreigners actually worth it for Filipinas?
For the foreigners will be worth it for Filipinas. It depends on their purpose because it depends on purpose because some of Filipinas they use it's not discrimination but some of stereotypes that Filipinas usually they use foreigners for money and then at the end they will leave it behind.
Do you fall for the man or the lifestyle?
It's about the man because lifestyle can be changed. Lifestyle can be improved.
If he had no money, would you still choose him?
Yeah. In reality, many of men it's come from the broke with unstable job, but it depends on the mindset of the people or of the man if they are willing to pursue or to their mindset is about a good future and
They can achieve it.
yes it's about their goal and passion for their self and then if they're passionate about their self they will help you in the future as well.
Still in college?
Yeah.
Okay. May we know what you're studying?
I am a hospitality management student.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Roxan po, 18 years old.
Roxanne, are foreigners actually worth it for Filipinas?
I think po it depends po. When it so they become worth it when it comes to they are very thoughtful, they are very caring, and they become not worth it po when it comes to they do have a this mentality that they are looking down in Filipinas po when it comes to not only onto the physical appearance but onto the lifestyle of the Filipinas po.
Do you fall for the man or the lifestyle?
I think po on my own perspective, I do fall po both po. When it comes to man po, I don't see to hindi po I don't you know um I don't base po when it comes to physical appearance, but of course I based on to the personality of the person. And when it comes to the lifestyle po, we all know naman po that the lifestyle to the foreign countries are very healthy po. Of course I do love fall for these two po. Yeah.
If he had no money, would you still choose him?
For me po, it depends. When I may fall for a man that have no money but have a dream po, or I have a goal in life, and I think I will of course support him if he don't have any money, of course, and I have a money, I can support him po. Even if doon po sa when it comes to a time na wala po siyang money po. I of course yung my answer po is I may but I may not if the man don't have a goals or dreams po.
What's one mistake a foreigner should never make here?
When it comes to dating po or when it comes to general po.
General.
So, we all know po na that Philippines is a third world country, and upon looking onto internet, I do what do you call this? I do pansin a lot that that they look down on us, the Filipinos. what do you call this? If
So you're saying that if they come here, they shouldn't look down to us.
po, when it comes to discrimination, it's very crucial that we are aware that it is not that the Filipinos are very hospitable, and we are not that we should not look down upon us po.
What are you studying, Be?
Nursing po.
Nursing, first year.
Yes po. First.
Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
I'm single po.
Single.
Yes po.
Mhm.
I'm not into dating po muna. Yes po.
No boyfriend since birth.
I do have one boyfriend po, pero it lasts only for 4 months. Yes po.
Studies first.
Studies first po.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Maybe po I'm into foreign country po, since I will practice nursing po, and of course nursing is a very what do you call this, very demand in ano po, in foreign countries po.
What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Mina and I am 18 years old.
Are foreigners actually worth it for Filipinas?
In my opinion, as a woman myself, I think whether you are a foreigner, whether you're a Filipino or other races, it doesn't matter who you are. It's about the character and the personality of the person.
Okay. How about this one? What makes them worth it or not worth it at all?
Based on what I said earlier, if the person is not a good person, for me, they are not worth it at all. They're not worth my time and my effort.
Do you fall for the man or the lifestyle?
I would rather fall for the man because if the man isn't of character, the character I want in a man, I believe we cannot achieve the lifestyle we want together.
So, if he had no money, would you still choose him?
No, because as a woman, I believe the man should lead the relationship. And if you want a man to lead the relationship, you should at least have something going on for you in your life.
If you could warn foreigners about dating here, what would you say?
I would say, I think in general, because a lot of people, and even now in women, they tend to take advantage sometimes, people of different races, especially for money.
What could go wrong if they don't listen?
If they don't listen, that's on them. Because if you don't proceed with caution and awareness, then the consequences shall be on you.
You're 18, in college now?
Incoming college.
Incoming college. What are you taking?
I think I would go for psychology and something related to that.
Anyway, you seem like a very smart student. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hopefully we earn your subscription, and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections